Transferology is a free, mobile-friendly website that shows how courses you have taken or plan to take transfer to another college or university for credit. This website allows transfer students to get an immediate look at how their courses transfer to Miami University Regionals. Creating an account is free. You can create an account with your email address and password or with your existing Google or Facebook account. The first tab, Will My Courses Transfer, will allow you to enter your completed coursework and find out how the courses transfer to another institution. On this screen, type in the name of your current school. You should see the name of the institution appear in the list. Select your school's name. If you don't see your school in the list, it's possible they do not subscribe to Transferology. Please contact the Miami Regional's Office of Admission for assistance. Select the term and year that your course was completed. Type in the department name. Select the department, then select your course from the list using the plus sign. Add all of your courses, including any from other institutions. Once all of your coursework has been added, click Search for Matches. Schools that have at least one match will be listed in the search results with the percentage of transferable coursework. You can either locate Miami University in the list of results or search for Miami University by clicking Looking for a particular school and searching by state. Click on Miami University to view course matches. Note: credit for Miami University Regionals coursework is the same as credit awarded from our main campus in Oxford, Ohio. The next screen will display the details of your matches. In this list, it will show which courses have equivalent credit at Miami University Regionals, as well as any other courses that may appear as T credit. The courses listed with this notation do not have matches at Miami University, but can be reviewed by the academic department for application to your degree program. You will discuss this with your academic advisor upon completion of the enrollment process. Transferology also offers a unique tool that allows you to apply your matched courses to a degree program, showing students how these classes fit into a future degree at Miami University Regionals. To use this tool, click on Apply Courses to a Program. On the next page, search for your desired degree program by scrolling through the list of Miami University majors, or by simply typing the name of the degree in the search field. Note: this list includes all university majors, both Oxford and regional campuses. Click on your desired program. Here, in the middle of the screen, click See how your courses might apply to this program. Note: a pop-up box will appear asking for additional information about Ohio Transfer Module and if you've earned an associate degree. Answer these questions as they apply to you and click Next. Another pop-up asking to add another school will follow. Select No and click Next. Acknowledge that this Transferology report is speculative by selecting the box, then click Go. From here, you can click the Programs link on the top of the page to view your program requests. You should see your program request listed in the results. Once the status field displays a green check mark indicating the report is ready, click on the program name to open the degree audit and view the details. Here, you can review all of the degree requirements at Miami Regionals. This will help you to understand where you are in relation to finishing a degree, as well as help to prepare you for a discussion with admission or advising staff regarding your transfer path. If you have questions or need more information after viewing your course matches from Miami University Regionals, we invite you to schedule a one-on-one transfer appointment with a member of our transfer team. Go to www.miamioh.edu/regionals and click on Visit. On this page, under One-on-One Virtual Appointments, click Transfer Students to find available days and times for virtual appointments. Are you ready to apply for admission? On the Miami Regionals homepage, click the Apply button to access our online application. This quick and easy form takes around 10 to 15 minutes to complete and is the first step to becoming a Miami University Regional student. We hope this information was helpful for you today. Please contact the Miami Regional's Office of Admission for any additional information.